what's going on, everybody? I'm back again with another mystery box. I liked the previous one that I purchased, and it was really good. I actually made a little bit of money on it, so I decided to buy another one. I actually paid 350 bucks for this one from the same guy. So let's get the cracking and let's get this one open, see what's in there.
Are you gonna introduce me and the dog?
I think that's gonna be self-explanatory. We have Amela here, and then we have Melina. You've seen both of them in a previous video.
Melina, can
separately.
you say hi? Can you say hi? That's what she says, hi to.
There you go. Good girl. Alright, so let's see what we got here. This one's really taped up. It weighs like 40 pounds. Alright. So.
Oh, this one has toys.
Yep, it's this one's, I forgot to mention, it's like toys, Legos, and other items. So let me just give you like a quick peek.
It is heavy.
Yeah, it's super heavy. And let's start off with this guy, Kratos, God of War.
What is he from?
God of War. It's a video game. It's an Xbox video game. So this is cool. This is like I think like maybe $5. So it's not too bad. All right, you want to pull out the next item?
I'm gonna take the big one.
Of course you are. All right, what do you got?
Actually, I don't think I can take it out.
Here.
Let's start with something smaller. This is a Star Wars.
You know that one. Star Wars pre-Cyborg. General Grievous. Okay. This might actually be like 15 bucks. So that's not too shabby. All right, let's go with, Ultimate Kicks Sega Genesis. Okay.
For what game? That looks really
That's
old.
old. Yeah, it is. It is from Sega Genesis. So let me see if is this.
Oh my
dude,
goodness.
that's so cool.
It's one of those old school ones where if it doesn't work, you blow on it.
Yep, that's exactly it. That's it. Whoa, I don't know what this is worth, but this is really cool. This has to be about $20 because it's
vintage.
Vintage, absolutely. You want to pull out the next item?
There's a t-shirt. Oh, it's a me, Mario.
Hey!
Small Mario t-shirt.
There you go. It might fit you. If I don't sell it, you can have it. There you go.
He has elf ears.
Oh, that's so cool. Let's look at that again. Fantastic. It's probably like, I can sell this for like 15 bucks.
Yeah.
All right, next one. I actually have
God of War.
God of War. I don't know why I said Xbox before. It's a PS4 game, which is right here. There you go. This is the original God of War. I'll probably sell this for like $15. Next. I can explain that if you want to show it.
I have no idea.
So this is from Destiny 2. What this is it's a figurine, obviously, but I'm trying to figure out.
Never been open the price tag, so
Yeah, these are all these items are actually brand new. I'm not sure what this is it pronounced Nacris is worth. I think it's like 15. Oh, it's $15 right there on the price tag. Looks like he bought a bunch of stuff from GameStop. Like a bunch of GameStops are closing. So.
Oh yeah, a lot of people are doing that now.
All right, so let me just see what this. Oh, I have another Wise Cam. I sold this one for 25 bucks, and I plan to do the same with this one. So, there you go.
Oh, it's like my first car.
Yep,
It's a little Honda Civic. I used to have a blue one.
Yep, you certainly did. This is I'll tell you right now, this is a 2017 Honda Civic EX sedan. Don't ask me how I know. All right, so that's like probably like 10 bucks. All right, you want to pull out the next item? Whatever it is, I don't care. Surprise.
Game Boy, Nintendo, something. Lampy?
It's a mini light.
Oh, it's a
yeah. So
mini light.
yeah, it has like a little.
It's like a night light.
I mean.
Yeah, you plug it in the
Yeah,
wall,
it can be any kind of light, I guess.
Okay.
Yeah, it's a mini light. So this is probably gonna sell for like 10 bucks. All right, and then do we have?
You have two of them.
We have
exactly
two
the
of
same.
them. There you go.
Exactly the same.
All right. All right. I'll pull out some games because we have a bunch. We have a Wii U game, Sonic Lost World.
Do you still have your Wii?
No, I actually don't. But this is the Wii U, so this is.
Oh, it's not even the same one.
Yeah, it's a newer edition. So this might be like 15 bucks. I'm not sure. I could be wrong because it is Sonic. You can pull out the next item. Whatever.
I'm trying to get this big thing.
There it is.
Finally. I don't know what it is.
It's a thing. So we have the thing.
The thing.
Spawn regenerated. This is actually really cool. It's Mandarin Spawn. This might be like 25 bucks, 30 bucks.
Never been opened.
Yep, which is awesome. I like this.
It's in, what is it?
It says 30 bucks on here, so I can probably sell it for 25.
Very nice.
Fantastic. All right, moving on. We've got batteries. Nothing too exciting there, but you can use these. All right, it's like 5 bucks. And we have Beyblade Burst Evolution. There you go. It's for younger kids. I think this is like $20.
And we have these two. They're exactly the same.
Is it like a... It's a digital video camera.
Yeah.
Okay.
Should we open one?
I mean, yeah, go ahead, just
to see what it's like.
Yeah, let's see what it is.
Oh, it's really cool.
It's like a mini cam, right?
It's like a little...
That's cool.
It's a camera.
That's awesome.
And it's very light.
Huh. It's,
operated on 3 AAA batteries.
Oh, AAA batteries. Cool.
Nice.
So it's got 16 megapixel. Wow, it's an HD. It's got zoom. It's like not bad at all. I don't know if this is like maybe 30 bucks. I'm not sure. Of course, you're gonna need an SD card.
Yeah.
So 25 bucks a pop, not too bad. Next, we have another video game. Oh, Shadow of War: Middle Earth.
Xbox One.
Yep, Xbox One. This is probably about $25. Not too bad.
And then we have one with PlayStation 4 Doom.
Oh, the OG Doom. Nice.
It says fight like hell on the back.
That's awesome. I used to play this game. Probably $15 to $20. You want to pull the next game out too?
Batman. Be the Batman. PS4.
There you go. All right.
Is it 4? Yep.
Yep, PS4. Yep.
Said it correct.
All right, another $15.
Nice.
All right, I'll go with the next one.
Oh, that's so cool.
We have a wireless controller for
an old school looking one.
Traditional layout wireless for use with the PlayStation Classic console. So, a couple of years ago, PlayStation somebody for PlayStation made the PS Classic console with all the PS Classic games. And I had one in one of my liquidation boxes. It's okay. It's nothing spectacular, and I don't think it got great reviews, but that's a controller for it. And that controller's probably gonna be worth like 10 bucks.
This is what I was looking at. Inventor.
Ooh, that's neat.
I guess you invent stuff. Looks really cool.
Oh, looks like Kinect or something.
I have no idea what it is, but it looks like something. Toy Russia?
Yeah, it says it's won awards. It's won the Toy Russia Award, the winner of the Cyprus Innovation Award, and European Award. So it's apparently pretty good then.
Interesting.
I'm not sure what this would be worth. It's got a little motor on it. You can use maybe like $35, 30 bucks. I'll have to check on this.
This is literally all toys.
Yeah, that's cool. I like it.
Yeah.
All right, so we have a Fallout Mega Merge Hot Rod Shark Power Armor figurine thingy.
What is that from?
Fallout. It's a game.
Okay.
This
is Bethesda.
Bethesda is the company that makes.
Oh,
yeah, I know Bethesda's close to us.
Not made in Bethesda, Maryland.
So this is probably about $10.
Yep.
Maybe I don't know, maybe $5. We'll check on the price and I'll update you guys below.
Another Star Wars Legacy Collection 2 out of 6. Looks just like you.
Oh, yeah, it does. It's a little warrior. Geonosis Arena Showdown.
Fisto? Or warrior?
There it is again. I think this might be like 10 bucks. Not too bad. Alright, and I'm gonna pull out this tiny little thingy.
What is that?
It is Lego something.
Is that Star Wars as well, or no?
Nope, it says Lego City. You make your own little.
Well, this looks like R2-D2. That's why I thought.
No, it's not. You make like it's like a little dude man. Right there.
Like space. Or
Yeah,
space
yeah.
guy.
So it's like a little
Astronaut.
vehicle. Yep.
Yeah. Okay.
Space moon buggy. That's what it is. Maybe like $8. All right, next. Oh, what is that?
For tennis.
For Nintendo Switch.
If you want to play tennis.
There you go. They used to have that on the Wii. That's cool.
Little tennis.
So we might be able to actually sell this for like $7 to $8. Not too bad. All right, next I'm gonna pull out another Nintendo City. This one's a building toy.
Lego.
Jungle Buggy. There you go. Another $5. Go ahead. This is interesting.
Baby movement monitor detects your baby's slightest movements and alerts you.
Okay.
Peace of mind.
Okay. I'm not sure what this is worth.
I don't even know what it is.
I have no idea.
Years ago.
I don't have a baby. So I'm gonna go with like $15 on this one. I'll do some research and I'll figure it out. All right, let's pull this big thing out here. Dragon Ball Evolution Goku.
Noise.
Yep, that's actually pretty flippin' cool. This one might be about. I mean, the price says $22, but I can actually sell this probably for like
Never
20.
been opened.
Yep.
None of this stuff seems to never been opened.
That's awesome.
Some kind of mini skateboard. I've seen the little kids.
Oh,
play
it's like a
with
little.
these.
It's a tech deck. Yeah.
Your
I've
son
seen-
used to play with these.
Yep.
Yeah.
There you go. Maybe like $5. Not too bad. All right, and ooh.
You have a couple of those.
Yep, I have
Monopoly.
2 Monopoly board game power pack.
Of Mario.
It's a me, Mario. There you go.
This would be a good idea to sell with a shirt.
Yeah, actually, it might be. So we have the little mushroom dude in this one,
And you have Mario in this one.
fantastic. I don't know. Maybe I can sell like 2 for $5 or something.
Yeah.
That's not bad. All right, moving on. What is this?
Pikachu! Pokemon!
Gotta catch them all.
These little battle figure sets.
Figure set. What is? Oh, okay. I think I've heard of this before. This might be like $10. Let me just check that out.
That'll be
again.
an easy sell. So many people sell
Oh yeah,
Pokemon.
Pokemon sells super fast.
Yeah.
All right, here, let me just pull out. I have a Tonka Medical Rescue First Responder. There you go. That's pretty cool. I might be able to sell this for like $7.
Well, this is the first one that's actually not in the box. I don't even know if this was meant to be put in here.
I don't know. Maybe it just dropped in. I mean, it's still cool. I'll take it.
It's a little buggy.
Yep.
Getty bug.
Oh, that's nice.
I don't. Yeah.
Oh, that's the Getty is the
Company?
gas station. Yeah.
Oh, okay.
So a couple of bucks on that. All right. Here's another Tonka truck, big rig, tow truck, City Defender. Boom. There you go. Check that out. Maybe another $7 to $8.
All right. Now what is?
Yeah, let's pull out the big
There's
guns.
2 of these actually.
Oh, dude, that's cool.
Like little spaceship Lego for
And
girls.
yeah.
I think this. Or whatever.
Oh, it's from the Lego movie.
Okay, I've never seen it, but
This
Here,
might
you want
actually
this one? There's
sell
another
pretty
one.
quick because Lego stuff is a hot item on
so yeah, this is
the internet.
back.
So we might be able to get some money for this.
$60 each. That's
Yep.
what they're showing on.
They're
there.
$60 each, so I can.
Never been opened.
So I'll be actually surprised if I don't sell it for $50 a piece.
Yeah.
That's awesome. All right, this might be one of those items where I sell it locally, and because it's like
they're kind of heavy.
Yeah, it's super heavy. All right, next I have Beetlejuice Dimensions Fun Pack.
Beetlejuice.
Yep, Lego. I don't know, $5.
A lot of Lego stuff.
Yeah.
Another tennis thing.
Oh yeah.
Bracket thing.
There you
so
go.
we already.
Yeah, what did I sell? Like $7.
Yeah.
All right, cool. Next.
Another Lego.
Dimensions.
Chima.
Oh, okay. There you go. This might be another $5. Cool.
Oh my goodness. I haven't seen this in 100 years.
Same.
A little mini cassette.
Micro cassette. Okay.
90 minutes. This is very like for those. Never even been opened.
Yeah, that's cool.
That's crazy. I didn't know they still made those.
Apparently they do. It says it was made in 1997.
Makes sense.
That's
It
fantastic.
probably hasn't been opened since.
Nope, it hasn't. Full lifetime warranty though, so you can still get warranty on this from Sony. I have no idea what this is worth. Maybe like $5. Somebody that like
Collects vintage stuff, probably.
yeah, maybe. All right, now what do we got? I'm gonna pull out this one. I have a Super Nintendo game. Humongous Adventures. Super NES. Wow, what are the odds of that? That's cool. I want to see if this is even.
Oh, used ever.
I doubt it. This is like new stuff.
Oh my god, it's
Dude.
brand new.
Brand new SNES.
Never even been touched.
Look at that. Still in a box.
I haven't seen one of these in
check that out.
years. Is this years made? 92? Is that what that is?
I have no idea what the 92 stands for.
But yeah, this has never been even played.
Wow.
What game is this? I've never-
it was made in 1996, but looks like it was bought from Blockbuster Video, which doesn't exist pretty much.
And then never touched again, apparently.
So I don't know if this has some value to it, but this we could get like $20 to $25 for.
Yeah.
All right.
Ninja.
All right, we have the Ninjago movie. I didn't even know there was a Ninjago movie. There's a movie for everything.
There is.
Legos, 109 pieces.
109 pieces.
Spinjitzu training. Yeah, I know. 109 pieces in this tiny box. So because it is 109 pieces, this might be like a $20 item.
And it looks like it hasn't been opened. The box is just a little bent, but
all right.
we have this big Lego thing. Our
Holy
last item.
mackerel.
Harry Potter.
Yep.
Well, this you're probably gonna have to go through and make sure all the parts are there. Cause I don't know if it's been opened or not, but this thing. No, it hasn't been opened.
Oh, it hasn't. It's brand new.
It's brand new. It's just that part. Like all these bags are never been opened for Harry Potter fans.
Yep, that's so cool. This is 878
pieces.
Holy moly! Look at this thing. Check that out.
Yeah.
Dude, that's. I think this is like $50. It's got to be at least.
Definitely.
It's maybe even 60. So I spent $350 shipped.
You're gonna get your money back.
It weighs a ton. I like this box. There's a ton of Legos which are very sellable. You can sell it just like that. And I think I'm probably gonna make like $150 on this at least. And I'll, again, as usual, I'll double check the prices, research it, and I'll update you guys with the profit. Now, I'm probably gonna end up buying another one of these boxes eventually once I end up selling some more of these items because I like this stuff. So you guys take care, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.
Bye.